Hello friends, this is Big Fact. Thanks for giving unimaginable love, and I love you all. Let's go for video. Today topic is many people around the world depend on fishes or products made from fishes for their food and economic livelihood. More than 30,000 different species ply Earth's oceans and bodies of fresh water. The beauty of many fish species is highlighted in fish stores, aquariums, and in home collections. Some species, however, have darker, more terrifying aspects. A select few of these may attack human beings, while others might deliver a dose of poison when handled carelessly or not properly prepared for consumption. The puffer, which is also called swellfish or blowfish, is any member of a group of about 90 species of fishes of the family Tetrodotoxin, noted for their ability when disturbed to inflate themselves so greatly with air and water that they become globular in form. Puffers are found in warm and temperate regions around the world, primarily in the sea but also, in some instances, in brackish or fresh water. They have tough, usually prickly skins and fused teeth that form a beak-like structure with a split in the center of each jaw. The largest puffers grow about 90 centimeters, 3 feet, long, but most are considerably smaller. Many species are poisonous. A highly toxic substance, tetrodotoxin, is especially concentrated in the internal organs. Although this substance can cause death, puffers are sometimes used as food. In Japan, where the fishes are called fugu, they must be carefully cleaned and prepared by a specially trained chef. Japanese chefs must have a license to prepare blowfish in Japan, says a member of the sushi team at esteemed Japanese eatery Nobu Berkeley Street, in London. This is very difficult to get and takes years of training. That's all friends. I believe this video is more informative. Show your love to subscribe our channel. Love you all. Thank you.